The right-hand side mirror of a Honda CR-V 2012. So we've been thinking to fix it, so we wanted to make a video about it. So let's see the steps.
We need to remove the plate over here. I found it very easy to pull the, if you can come over here, you remove the thing on the side.
Yeah, with the screwdriver.
The screwdriver,
kind of.
it easily comes off. You can show
Yeah.
that, and you can go back. Yeah. So if you show that, right, so it comes out easily, right? So once
Yeah.
it comes out, be careful. So there is this cable connected.
Don't pull too hard or then it'll rip off.
So the easy way to remove it is there is a coupling on the other side. You press that coupling and the wire comes out. You have to slowly keep this cable, this piece, which has the speaker in it,
Yeah.
to the side.
And then you...
So now the tricky part is to identify the 3 screws. So if you look at it, these are the nuts. These are 7 by 16 nuts. So there is 2 nut here and 1 nut on the side here, right? We'll take the thing, the weathering, and we got that nut out too. So we have all the 3 nuts. Keep them in the safe place because we'll need them again. Now slowly, keeping your hand on this wire, pull the door out, pull the glass mirror out. So now the mirror is loose, right?
So we let go of it.
Yeah. So be careful. This cable is connected to the door. So now the next task is to remove this door. Okay. So let's see how we do that. So this door has 3 nuts, which are sort of hidden in the. So 1 nut is hidden in this pocket, and 2 nuts are behind this door flap. So what you have to do is take a regular screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and you need to remove the plate, which is just you have to sort of pop it out.
Pop it out. Yeah.
If you look inside carefully, there is a
Screw.
Screw in there.
One
right?
screw.
One screw. You take your regular screwdriver and unscrew the nut. So the next one is on this side. So again, you have to be very careful. Yeah. So it comes out.
Right there.
Right?
Yes. 2 screws here.
You see two screws.
Yeah.
So the next task is to remove those screws. So we got our 2 nuts. So you find the grip. Usually it's on this corner of the door. And you start pulling
The door out.
the door out. The door hangs on this thing hangs on the door. So you have to slowly pull it up.
So be careful so you don't get hurt by it, especially.
And don't pull it too hard because all your seals and everything hangs on it. So be careful. Now if you come closer, release this panel from here so that we can remove the glass. If you look at it, there's a switch over here, sort of you need to press that in and then just pull out, right? So once this is out, you need to remove it from the housing. So if you look at it, we pulled the housing out, and this will release it's recording, right? Will release the mirror.
Mirror.
So now our mirror is out.
So here we got the new mirror. So now we're going to install it the same way that we took it out.
Okay, so let's go.
Okay.
So the first task is
Plug it in.
put the wire through, make sure your
Everything's stable.
holes align, right?
Screw
Don't tighten them yet, just enough to hold.
for now.
So 1,
Here.
2, and 3 behind this housing.
And we're going to...
The next step is to put the door back in, but before that, make sure you put this housing back in, otherwise your mirror will not operate from inside.
Correctly. Yeah.
So be careful, this comes on the outside. You take it in and you slide it
Just like that.
and make sure it's sturdy. Also make sure this gets back into the housing so that you have a stable wire, it's not sort of rotating around.
Yeah.
So that's all you need to do for the glass. So now your mirror is in place. The next thing is to put everything back in. So slowly put the door
Back in.
back. And this side first when you're putting the door back in, and then align to this door, otherwise it will be difficult.
Yeah.
So lesson learned. So on this side first and then this side. Okay?
Okay.
So now we need to put the bolts. So again, we took the screws. We can over here. Bolt, sorry. The screw.
Tighten it enough.
Tighten it enough. You put your plate back in. So we're good there.
So we're good there.
So the door is back up.
Do it again. Yeah, it's moving.
And then your speaker,
Put it back in.
make sure the cable gets connected. Again, you just slide it in. Again, very slowly, just tap it in, and you're good to go. So now we have successfully replaced our mirror.